Hi there, and welcome to Pair Programming with marcopeg. In the last video, you learned how to build your first web server with Node.js and Express. But there was a problem. Every time you changed something, you had to stop and restart the server manually. Luckily, there is a solution, and this solution is Nodemon IO. Nodemon IO is a daemon that watches your files and automatically restart your application when needed. Let's start by install Nodemon on your computer. So as you can see here in the documentation, you can write this npm install-g Nodemon in your terminal. What does -g stands for? Well, it stands for global. Yes, with npm you can install global commands into your computer. Global CLI commands like command line interfaces, like this. So let's try. Let's copy this instruction. Command C. Let's go to my terminal. Command V. npm install-g Nodemon. Let's see. Let's go. From now on, I can just type Nodemon, and look, it magically starts. So I just typed Nodemon into my terminal, and I have my application up and running on localhost 3000. Now I want to edit my source file, hello world. Let's move back again to marcopeg. I save this file. I go here in the browser, reload, and I see the change. I change it back to hello world. I save the change. I reload the page, and it's up to date. Okay, so you might have noticed that we completely skipped the manual reload. Let's take back our terminal, and here you can see that the application has actually been stopped and restarted 3 times. Each time I change, Nodemon will kill the application and start it over again. It works because in the package.json we point out that the main script is index.js. So when we type Nodemon, let's clear and do it again. Nodemon, when we type this, Nodemon will look for a package.json. It identifies that this folder contains an npm project, and it automatically starts the main script. Okay, so you learn how to install Nodemon and how to run your project with Nodemon as a global command line interface. Now there is another possible way to use Nodemon, which is as a local dependency. So let's say you want to distribute this project to other developers in your team. You don't really want to tell them, please install Nodemon as a global command line interface so that you can run. Wouldn't it be better if each developer just type npm start and everything happened magically? Yes, it would. Well, we can achieve this. Let's install Nodemon in a different way. npm install Nodemon, but instead of -g, we do hyphen save. You learned this before. This will add it to your package.json, but here we add dash dev, save dash dev. So Nodemon is a package, is a dependency that we use only for development purpose. It's not meant to run in production really. Let's go. This will add the Nodemon into your node modules folder, and also it will add it to your package.json. Now, if you take a look at your node modules folder, what you can see is a particular folder .bin has been created. .bin contains some shortcuts, some symlink to command line interface applications that are available through your node modules. Let's just take this information and make a change to our start script. So instead of using node from the global available commands, let's type /node modules /bin/Nodemon. That's it. Just let's point to the local executable. Okay, nothing but that. Let's give it a go. So I go back to my terminal, clear the screen, npm start. And there we go. Nodemon, it's working. Okay, so if I go back here, I try to reload my page. I have hello world. I do a change, hello world 1, 2, 3. I save, I reload. Yeah, it's working. It's working, good. So then I don't need to install Nodemon into my computer. Let's give it a try. So I stop the application. I do npm uninstall Nodemon. This is just to remove Nodemon. I'm going to make a test. So if I do Nodemon, it will not work because it's not available anymore. I can even remove -rf node modules. Okay, so my project is just an empty project. It has only my application index.js and my package.json, the definition of my application. And of course, the website is not working. At this point, you can simply npm install to download all the dependencies that this project need, and npm start, and everything will work for you. There we go. Again, if I change, save, and I reload, automatic reload is up and running now. So the takeaway from this video is you can install utility software as node module dependencies and list them into your package.json as development dependencies. You can even use those modules through a package.json script, through an npm script like start, by accessing them in the .bin folder under the node modules. Okay, this is it for this lesson. In the next video, we are going to take a closer look into the npm scripts and learn how to distribute our project with a start script for production and another start script meant for a developer. I'll see you there.